What's good, gang? Welcome back to another vlog. Today, bro, we're cleaning up the tires that are completely painted. I mean, not the... We're cleaning out all this. We're gonna use the pressure machine on the car wash to get rid of all these things. I'm here with the homies. Daily, pretty dirty. Today is not clean. So here we are. We're gonna clean this bad boys. I was using a brush and some product to get rid of the... So I was using a brush and some product to get rid of all the dirt and the stains of paint. So we're gonna use the pressure machine right now and finish it real quick. Hey, yo, dale algo ahí, ve. Yo te estamos virales.
Así que arreglar la guagua,
Viene. Yo, we cleaned up the tires. I was just getting rid of the paint around the tires, primer and all that. All the homies are here. Let me put the camera on. Little brother, homie. Almost all the homies are here, bro. A normal Monday for us. Weird. Yo, gang, we got to the crib. We was cleaning all the paint from the tires, and now we're gonna polish these. I went ahead and bought some new lug nuts for the center caps, bought a couple sandpapers and me. So we're gonna be basically polishing these lips because they're pretty, from distance you can't tell, but yeah, you can. They need work. So yeah, gang, we're gonna get that bucket of water and we're gonna start sanding out. I'm gonna see if I can throw a little... Yo, we gotta put a tire on the spare as well. Got a bunch of tires laying. Got the spare right here. Bro, every time I turn the camera to the car, it's just... So yeah, let's get to it. Basically, gang, we're going to sand the wheels from 400 to 2000, I think. I'm gonna get a little bucket of water. I was watching videos at YouTube as usual, bro, because every time I'm gonna do something, I gotta watch a video because I don't want to fuck up. So I'm gonna get a bucket of water. You're supposed to rinse the water every time you change from a grit. For example, if you do 400 and you're finished with the water in the 400, you're gonna change the water and do the 600, for example. So we're gonna be polishing the wheels. I know it's gonna take a couple days, maybe today and tomorrow, because it's time consuming. But yes sir, bro. After that, I gotta buy a buffer or ask a homie if anybody got a buffer, because we gotta wet sand the car basically to get rid of the orange peel. You see this stuff? This is what we call orange peel. It's not on the whole car, but it has, for example, here, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta wet sand it and we're gonna polish it. So bro, car looks fucking... Yo, gang, we out here in a little smoke break. I just started sanding the first wheel.
cabrón.
No,
Cabrón. No me está apuntando con la cama.
Yo, gang, so we're gonna start with the first wheel. If you notice, I took my Arabic how you call that shit, the Arabic hat out. Nah, I was just protecting the braids that I recently did them, and I don't want to fuck them up too quick. So yeah, so we're gonna start with the first wheel. We're gonna basically wet sand them and polish them, and basically I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, just in case you guys don't know how to polish aluminum wheels. That's basically what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go with I got the whole pattern. I'm gonna start with 320, then 400. 320 is because my wheel is pretty rough. You can notice, and I even painted the car with the wheels on, so at some parts it has little primer and all that, so it's pretty rough. You can see these stains. This is like old clear peeling off, so that's why I'm gonna start with the 320. After the 320, we're going with a 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1500, 2000, and 2500. And then we're gonna polish, and I'm gonna show you guys the product that I'm gonna use. But yeah, let's start. I'm gonna start with the 320, and every layer I'm gonna show you guys how that wheel is looking. So if you notice, it's pretty bad right now. It's pretty bad, I'm not gonna cap. So for this process, I've seen a couple videos on YouTube, and the most recommended thing to do is get a bucket with water and refresh the water every time you change from a sand. For example, I'm gonna do 320, and when I'm finished with the 320, I'm gonna refresh the water with new water and redo the next sandpaper, that is the 400. So basically, I got the whole sandpapers in here. Like I said, every time I get done with a sandpaper, I'm gonna show you the results and how, you know, the whole process. So let's get it. Let's start. Yo, another thing, I did order a new buffer to polish the car. So the second thing we're gonna polish is the car. So we're gonna get rid of all that orange peel. Car is sitting right here. I just got a new cover for the car too. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. But for now, we're gonna start polishing the wheels, and then we're gonna run into the car as soon as the buffer gets to the crib, because I think it's on the way already. I ordered it on Amazon, so let's see. Let's start with the sanding. Fresh water, and we're gonna use the 320. So yeah, gang, it's nothing special. Dip the sandpaper in water and start sanding. You can notice all the dirt and shit is gonna come out. Yo, these are the results of the 320. 320 is basically to cut everything, all the stains and the clear that was peeling off. So basically, you can already tell the difference. So basically now we're gonna change water and we're gonna hit it with the 400. And basically the 400 is to erase the marks of the 320, because the 320 took most of the bad condition of the wheel, all the clear, all the peeling and all that. This is why you change the water, because look at that water. It has a lot of particles of aluminum, so we don't want to reuse the water. Yo, so I'm gonna hit it with the 400 right now. Again, P400 to get rid of those marks of the 320 and the last little clear spots. You can notice how here, you can notice I still got a little spot. So that's basically what the 400 is gonna do. I'm refilling the bucket with new water, so let's get it. So basically this is how it should look with the 320. Now we're gonna hit it with that 400. Right now doing the final sanding with the 400. Yo, this is time consuming, but it's worth it though. You see all that black coming? That's aluminum. Yo, so this is how we looking with the 400. Don't mind the fucked up lip. Pretty good. You're starting to see a little bit of shine. Now we gotta repeat the whole process, refill the bucket with new water, and we're going for the 600. So let's get it, because it's getting dark. But this is coming out pretty good. Yo, this is time consuming, because you gotta be changing waters on the bucket, on every sandpaper and all that. But it's worth it, bro. Trust me. Wait until we get to the middle of the vlog. You're gonna see these wheels and you're gonna be like, I'm gonna put a before and after picture and you're gonna be blown. So now we're gonna spill the old water, refill the water, and we're gonna hit it with the 600. So let's get it, because it's getting dark and we don't. At least I want to finish this one and show you guys today how it looks, the final product. So all right, so we're gonna hit it with the 600, like I said, fresh water. Let's get it. All right, gang, so I'll come back to y'all when I get on to the at least 2000, because it's the same process all over again, and I'm not gonna, you know, record every time I throw the water away and all that. So I'll come back to y'all when I get to the 2000. Yo, I said I was gonna come back to y'all when we was sanding with the 2000, but we're done with the 800, and this is how we looking. Bro, this shit looking spicy though. Gotta change the water one more time, and yes sir. Still gotta do the 1000, 1500, 2000, and 2500. So I'll come back to you in a little bit. Yo, what's good, gang? It's the next day. So yesterday, bro, it got dark, but we managed to finish sanding with the 2500 grit, and the results are amazing, bro. You can already see a little reflection on the lip, but we still gotta polish with the product that we're gonna use. And I'm gonna go to the crib, inside of the crib, show you the material, and we're gonna start polishing with a clear. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use in a little bit. So let me grab this wheel. We're finally gonna go polish and show you guys the full result. Yo, these look deep though. Yo gang, so we're inside of the apartment. Yo, we got a big ass flash because of the sun, but basically bro, now the product that we're gonna use to polish the wheels is this right here, Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. Bro, this is amazing, bro. Every time I use this thing with the steelies and all that, this thing really does the job and really does magic. So basically bro, we're gonna be wiping the whole wheel. Yo, so basically bro, we're gonna go step by step. I'm gonna apply the Mothers, and most of you got the drill. I got a drill, but it's not enough, it's not too powerful, so it was not doing the job correctly. So I'm doing it by hand with a little towel, and I got another one to clean up the rest. So basically I'm gonna be applying the Mothers right here, and I'm gonna start wiping. So I'm gonna wipe a couple minutes on camera, and then I'm gonna jump into the final results. So let's get it. First step basically bro is just applying the product on the, bro, I'm doing this the way I do it, so you can use whatever to apply it. So I'm just doing it by hand. Apply the product, and I'm gonna start wiping just this area here where I put the product, just to show you guys the difference when you start polishing, bro. This shit is amazing. Yo gang, you can already tell, bro, what part is polished and what part is not. This is, I'm telling you guys, this shit insane, bro. You can notice, bro, look. God damn. Yo, for real, bro, this product is insane. You can notice, bro, this part is the part where it's not polished yet. Another thing, bro, I know I gotta still sand all this part, but I gotta order a new drill or something, because I gotta drill these out and use new ones. So basically we're doing the lip first, and then we're gonna work on the face, so don't even trip about it. But bro, the shine is insane, bro. This side is not polished side, and this is the first hand, bro. It's not even, I'm gonna do it a couple times. So this is, bro, this is just the, you guys are gonna be mind blown if you are gonna polish wheels and use this product and do the whole process like I did. You're gonna, bro, you guys are gonna get insane results. Yo gang, so you saw the first results on that wheel, on that first side that I polished. It's insane, bro. For those outside that want to try and are gonna follow the steps, do it calmly, bro, day by day. I didn't do the blog in one day, so I've been sanding the wheels and I've been grinding. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna finish polishing the first wheel, and I'm gonna jump into before and after pictures, And you guys are gonna be even more mind blown because these wheels were pretty rough, bro. They had pretty big stains, rust spots. It was a mess, bro. And we managed, with this process, we managed to take everything out. So let me finish polishing that wheel and I'm gonna show you guys the insane mirror effect. This is, bro, insane. Let's get it. Yo, after a full hand, this is insane, bro. I told you guys that the product and the whole process is pretty good to polish aluminum wheels. This is insane, bro. So this is the first hand with the towels and the, bro, I'm out of words. So basically this is the first hand with the towels and the product. This shit looks insane. I still gotta polish a couple more times, but this is the results that you're gonna be getting doing this. Insane, bro. Yo, gang, so wheels are officially polished and the car, I know you wanted to see the car on the ground on this vlog, but we're currently cooking. You saw we had a bunch of orange peeling on the car, and I got the homie that is helping me do the whole job. So the car is basically right now matte. We're masking it to do another layer of clear and flakes because the orange peeling was massive, bro. It was, you can notice the whole difference. It's insane. So basically we're masking the car. I don't know if you guys are gonna see the results on this vlog, but you learn how to basically polish aluminum wheels. It's not a professional DIY tutorial, but it's basic, bro. You don't gotta do a lot. You just need a good polisher and some wet sands, and you're gonna do it. So sun is hot. We're gonna keep working on it, and we're gonna lay that new clear coat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls on the prep. So let's get it. Yo, this is insane, bro. Insane. Doing it the right way this time, not with a plastic gun. A new layer of clear. Yo, gang, the car is officially done. Not done, but done with in terms of paint and working with the paint of the car. Bro, we got rid of the orange peel. You saw the big orange peel way earlier on the video. So we actually sanded the car. We was trying to get rid of the orange peel and polish the car, but it was so much and it was so rough, bro, that we went ahead and did a pretty big wet sand on the car. And we got rid of almost every part of the orange peel, and the car looks amazing. You saw the clips where the homie was laying the paint. It's incredible, bro. So car, it might not be on the ground yet. I told you guys in the past vlog that car was gonna be on the ground, but I didn't expect that we was gonna have to sand the whole car and redo the clear, just because it was too bro, the orange peeling was insane. Now it looks way better, way better than the last vlog. So car is not on the ground, but car has one of the side skirts is on, because I couldn't resist and I installed everything back. The car has both bumpers. Rear lip is on. Lip is laying on the floor right there. The wing side skirt from the driver's side. So I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls of how the car looks now. Sun is not hitting, so I don't know if you're gonna see the amazing glistening when the sun hits, bro. Is amazing. So I'm gonna drop a couple few B-rolls, because this vlog is long as hell as well, just so you can see the car on how it looks now. Basically, you saw the car when it was getting done and getting painted, but I want to show you the car with the wing, the rear lip, and all that. On the next vlog, we're gonna have officially the car on the ground, just because on this vlog I just finished polishing the wheels and all that, and I didn't have time to put the car on the ground. Gotta still work on a couple things under the car, but let's get it. Let me show you guys the car. After wet sanding all these days, working on the car with the homie, that I'm gonna tag the homie right here with his user and his car. Thank you to the homie Esteban. Gracias por la ayuda, papi. Donde si estás viendo el blog, bro, the results are incredible. So now that you saw those clips of me working on the car, the homie laying on the new clear coat, bro. Alright, bro, so bro, car looks insane. I used a little bit more of flake on this clear coat that I used, so the car looks a little bit like a dark blue in person, and when the sun hits or any type of lightning, bro, the car goes insane. The flakes are stupid, bro. It's just stupid. Yo, nah, bro, this shit's... Alright, I'm gonna drop the B-rolls. Yo, so before the B-rolls, I'm gonna put a wheel, one of the polished wheels, on the rear, just to make the thing interesting and see how the car looks with the new color and the one wheel on. So I'm gonna do it for you guys, because I know you guys are probably hyped on seeing the car on the ground and with the wheels.
Yeah, Suzuki.
Yo gang, so this vlog is gonna end up right here. It's nighttime and I can't say that I appreciate the help of the homie from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to you guys for the amazing support on the past vlog. I've been grinding, bro. I've been grinding big ass vlogs. This is another vlog that is almost 40 minutes long, bro. I've never been working so hard in the car and on the vlogs, bro. It's insane. So I wanna appreciate the amazing support on all the past vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, you are OG1. We've managed to fix the orange peel. We still gotta polish the car, but you saw that the whole difference that you don't, bro, is a big difference. It was too, you could see the orange peel from a distance, bro. It was bad. So that's fixed. I'm happy with the results, super happy, hyped as fuck. So yeah, man, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.